statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The El Paso Police Department is searching for Kenji Montaya, white, male, 2 years old, 2 feet 5 inches, 28 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes. They were last seen at 8:46 p.m. on March 13th, 2024, at the 11,200 block of Kingfish Court, El Paso, Texas, 79936, wearing a Spider-Man long sleeve.
What the fuck? They're malnourished.
Police are looking for Miguel Montoya, 29 years old, white.
They're
male,
fucking malnourished.
6 inches, 130 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and wearing a black dragon balding baseball cap, black leather jacket, and blue shirt in connection with their abduction.
Damn, this is actually
The
creepy.
suspect is driving a gray 2020 Dodge Journey, bearing Texas license plate number TKR0213. The suspect was last seen in El Paso, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the El Paso Police Department at 915-316-7134. News media point of contact is El Paso Police Department at 915-212-4040.
Fucking malnourished, dude. I can't believe that.
The current time is 8:13 a.m.